This is a 2006 Nissan Titan, issued today. It's been going on for a while. Is that this little tab right here won't pop all the way out when you open the front door, and therefore you can't open the rear door until it moves into the correct position. Sometimes it sticks for a while, and I'm going to show you today how easy it is to fix this. This is the driver's side, which I've already fixed, and as you can see, when you open the door, it's in the position it's supposed to be. There's a spring in there, and it should just pop just like that, no trouble. So we'll start by removing the two screws, one at the top, one at the bottom. This is pretty easy, just a common Phillips screwdriver. These screws are not real tight. After removing the two screws, take a plastic spatula or something, just get behind it. There's a tacky rubber gasket that holds this piece in, and it just comes right out once you get behind it. Use something plastic, obviously, so you won't scratch the paint, and then this piece lifts out, and all of your trouble is right here in this piece. You don't have to worry about any of those parts inside the door. You don't have to disassemble the door or anything like that. So it makes fixing this really easy. So try to explain it and then just show you. There's a spring right here, and that spring has enough tension to pop this back into the position it's in now. But over time it gets dirty and sticky, and so basically we're just going to clean it out with a little lubricant. I don't have any WD-40 on hand right now. I have something else. It doesn't matter what you use. And anyway, there's a pin that goes from here through, and you see it coming out on the top right there. Basically, we're going to just squirt some lubricant down inside that little pin, and that'll loosen this shaft up. Okay, so now I've got plenty of lube sprayed in right in there and in here. Now this tab is real snappy the way it should be. That's what we want. So I could simply just put this back in there, but I'm going to wipe it off with a paper towel first. And on my truck, this lever is not as snappy as I'd like it to be. The one on the other side is very snappy, so there's a spring down in there. You see it right down in there. I'm going to hit that with a little lubricant as well. Okay, I put a little lube down on that spring, and now real snappy. I did lubricate this, and it's also real snappy, so real easy. Just set it back in. Nothing to it. Screws go back in. If you're a little more coordinated than I am, then you probably won't drop these screws. But there's nothing to it. Just a little, snug them up a little bit. And that's all there is to it now. No more sticking. Open the door, it pops out fully like it's supposed to. And the door opens. Finished.